Welcome back to Market Pros. So here we have Ethereum on the 8 hour on Coinbase. Okay, so you rolled right the hell over. We did not get that bounce to the 21 or this purple line or the bottom of the range. Man, we yeah, we needed that bounce. Rolled right over. So far we are at 25.71. We are down 2.5% on the day. Negative momentum, it did increase coming down here. So not only are you going, not only is your price action going down, your negative momentum is picking up. Your MACD has pretty strong downside curvature. Negative momentum is increasing on the histogram. RSI deep in the bearish control zone below that signal line. Vol expanding quite a bit. I mean, your vol is picking up. You are getting up into the red, in the red region. So let's move down to the 4 hour a little bit and zoom in, then we'll talk about some more stuff. Negative, man. Okay, so you got a weak bounce, not even to the 21. You got front ran of this purple region even. You know, we did think it was going to come up to the 50 at least, possibly to the bottom of that range. It did not. Deep into the bearish control zone. Your histogram. Okay, so no divergences, nothing. You do have bullish divergence. No, you don't. Let me see here. Slightly. As long as this RSI is not at a low, you have bullish divergence from all the way back there. Let's see. Actually, I wouldn't even count that because this weak bounce could have been it. Vol is in the upper zone. I mean, BBWP is in the upper zone, which means your vol is expanding. All your moving averages have negative slopes. They are fanned out. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. On the 1 hour. Once again, moving averages have negative slopes. They are fanned out. 21 looks like it's trying to curl over a little bit. If you don't get rejected from the 21, I think we could come up to the 50. We break the 50, I think we come all the way up to this purple region and get some sort of bounce, partial bull trap or bear trap, and come back to it at that point. Your MACD, fresh cross to the upside, positive momentum is increasing. Your negative momentum in the RSI is trying to get back into the upper side of the bearish control zone. Okay, so your vol is contracting, your BBWP is contracting as your price action's going up. So this could just be a corrective bounce. I mean, as you see, the last time your price action went up on a bounce, your vol started contracting down. So is this happening again? I mean, you did get a cross last time. As your price action bounced up, came back down. Your vol contracted as that happened. Same thing here. Is this the same thing that's happening here? Just a corrective bounce, possibly up to the 21 at 2600. We'll find out. If you guys like the video, oh, by the way, if you guys like the video, like and subscribe to the channel. Let's move on to Solana. Almost did the same thing I did yesterday. Okay, so Solana moving at, oh man. So we were grinding out this level, broke back down. Let's move to the 4 hour real quick. We'll zoom out a little bit. So yeah, we were grinding out this, oh man, your moving averages look like shit. All right, so your trend is strong to the downside. Now that we have broke below this level, we did bounce off this purple zone we were talking about. We had some support in this region. Now this is going to be a major level of resistance. So the bounce could be, it's kind of the same thing with a lot of coins right now. On the short term, like the 1 hour, the 4 hour, it looks like you're trying to have some sort of a bounce. So your MACD, your negative momentum is decreasing. Looks like you could be trying to come back up for a cross possibly, unless this bounces over on Solana. then you would just get a retest and resumption down. Your vol is contracting as your price action is going up. Your RSI deep in the bearish control zone. So your momentum is not it's not quite as strong as Bitcoin and Ethereum, but the bounce could still get up here to, $80. So you could have another dollar in you right now. Let's move down to the 1 hour. So here on the 1 hour, this RSI makes a higher high than this. You're going to have bearish divergence, which, oh man, would coincide with bouncing right off that 50, with getting rejected right off that 50, and this diagonal support turn resistance level. Vol is heading up. Okay, your BBWP is expanding. Actually, it contracted though. Your bounce could be almost over. RSI is in the neutral zone, testing that neutral median line, but you got rejected this last time, which was right here on that last bounce. Man. So, long story short, this looks like a bounce. Okay, now, validation of the upside would be to get back above 82.12 on a 1 hour closure. Then I think you could come up to the 200, possibly this purple region at 88. Validation of the downside would be to backfill this wick at 75.84. I would expect you to come all the way back down to $52 region. All right. Bitcoin's going to decide a lot right now, man, and it doesn't look good, to be honest. I could be wrong. I can always be wrong, but it does not look too good at the moment. That does not mean we can't have a big bounce. We will have some sort of a big bounce eventually. So stay nimble, all right? Once again, subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Check out our links in the description below, especially our Discord. And everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening. And I will see you in the next one.